Hello, my name is Arvind Kumar, working as a SAP Junior Basis Administrator in Codeplexus Private Limited, and I am here going to explain a topic on architecture of SAP NetWeaver. Introduction: SAP systems are used for mapping the business process or business applications. To do so, SAP NetWeaver offers two different types of runtime environments. One is ABAP runtime environment, uses type AS ABAP. ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Programming Language, which is highly optimized and scalable to do new business applications, or it can enhance or modify the existing SAP standard applications. Second runtime is Java runtime environment. Uses type AS Java. So in it, Java is firstly used by Sun Microsystems. It enables the wide range of the applications which are used in which is used to develop for applications to applets, which can be used within websites, web pages to client server models. So these are the types of systems we totally exist in environment. First one is AS ABAP system. Second one is AS Java systems. And by combining both AS ABAP plus Java systems, these three systems are available in this total SAP. Instance: it is an administrative unit combines all SAP components providing a single or multiple services. Every instance contains its own buffer. For example, we have taken ABAP systems. It contains a presentation layer, application layer, and database layer. In application layer, it contains central instance and central service instance and dialog instance. Three types of instance. It can be identified by some process which is coming up on next slides, and each instance are defined by unique number. And coming to database, for all the instances combining central instance, central service instance, and dialog instance, combines only one database. ABAP process. After request is handled from dispatcher, it allocates to the work process. There are five types. One is dialog. It handles a request using dialog steps. In background work process, it executes the request without interacting the user. In log management, it logs the resources of the systems which another user cannot be accessed at the same time. This log management is also called as enqueue work process. Update work process used to execute the updates in the systems, and spool work process is used to print the documents which is queued to the printer, used as this spool work process. In ABAP message server is used to communicate between all dispatchers within the system to the ABAP within the SAP server. In the gateway, it is used the communication between the SAP systems to SAP systems or SAP systems to the external system. Internet communication manager is used for web protocols. Coming to the as Java process, as it contains of a server process. It is a multi-threading process which is handles a request parallelly. Java message services. It is a central services which uses the dispatcher communication between the dispatcher to the Java application within the runtime environment. Java enqueue services used to keep the logical lock on the Java applications within the Java applications environment. And software deployment Manager is a tool to install the softwares within the Java environment. Coming to the AS Java architecture, when the request is coming through web browser, it handles by the Java dispatcher, and in central services instances consist of Java message services and Java run enqueue services. It connects the Java dispatchers. It connects the Java dispatcher and Java message services in each nodes, so that if any free, if it enables the communication between the dispatcher to dispatcher at node at end-to-end node levels. And coming up to the as ABAP plus Java architecture, combining the both architecture contains central instances, central service instances, and dialog instance. How it is actually happened here is, it contains both architecture in one system. If the request is from GUI, it handles to the ABAP system. If the request is from a web process, or it is a Java applications, it is directly detected by the ICM, and it is allocated to the Java dispatchers. And between the dispatchers, Java connector enables the communication between them. So by this, the three systems are used in this SAP environment. Thank you.